A mathematician, like a painter or a poet, is a maker of patterns. If his patterns are more permanent than theirs, it is because they are made with ideas. There is no scorn more profound, or on the whole more justifiable, than that of the men who make for the men who explain. Mathematics is not a contemplative, but a creative subject. The public does not need to be convinced that there is something in mathematics. Most people are so frightened of the name of mathematics that they are ready, quite unaffectedly, to exaggerate their own mathematical stupidity. Real mathematics must be justified, as art, if it can be justified at all. 317 is a prime, not because we think so, or because our minds are shaped in one way rather than another, but because it is so, because mathematical reality is built that way. Young men should prove theorems, old men should write books. I wrote a great deal, but very little of any importance. There are not more than 4 of 5 papers, which I can still remember with some satisfaction. Pure mathematics is on the whole distinctly more useful than applied. For what is useful above all is technique, and mathematical technique is taught mainly through pure mathematics. I propose to put forward an apology for mathematics, and I may be told that it needs none, since there are now few studies more generally recognized, for good reasons or bad, as profitable and praiseworthy. Archimedes will be remembered when Aeschylus is forgotten, because languages die and mathematical ideas do not. I am interested in mathematics only as a creative art. Old brandy came to mean a taste that was eccentric, esoteric, but just within the bounds of reason. The best mathematics is serious, as well as beautiful, important if you like, but the word is very ambiguous, and serious expresses what I mean much better. Beauty is the first test. There is no permanent place in the world for ugly mathematics. It is not worth an intelligent man's time to be in the majority. By definition, there are already enough people to do that. A person's first duty, a young person's at any rate, is to be ambitious, and the noblest ambition is that of leaving behind something of permanent value. A chess player may offer the sacrifice of a pawn or even a piece, but a mathematician offers the game.